Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Notepad++ on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. On Windows 11, we get a default Notepad application. So using this Notepad application, we can write some notes on our Windows 11 computer. Now, if you need a advanced note-taking software on Windows 11, then you can use Notepad++. Now to download Notepad++, simply open your browser and search for Notepad++. Let me tell you that Notepad++ is an openware and free note-taking software. With the help of this software, you can write down some notes, and you can also use this Notepad++ as a source code editor. Now to download, simply open the link from notepad++.org. So this is the official website from where you can download Notepad++. Now to download Notepad++, here on the menu, click on download option. And here you will find all the download options for Notepad++. Here you can see the latest version, and the current version of Notepad is 8.1.9.3. Here on the download option, here you will find download Notepad++ version 8.1.9.3. Simply click on this link. Here you will find all the download option. So we are going to download it for x64-bit version. Let me download the installer file. Here you can see our download has been completed. Now let me open this installer. Here we have the installer. Here we have to select our language. So let me minimize the browser and select your language, then click on OK. Here we have the setup window for Notepad++. Here simply click on next, and here we have the license agreement. Read this license agreement, then click on I agree. So this is the default location where Notepad++ is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button, and you can browse a location where you want to install Notepad++. But for now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on next. Here we have our installation option. From the drop down menu, you can select your installation type. One is minimalistic and another one is custom. So let me select custom one, and here you can select your options. After that, simply click on next, and here we have an option to create desktop shortcut. So let me click on this option, then click on install. So our installation process has been successfully completed. Now if you want to run this Notepad++, simply click on this option, then click on finish. So for now, let me uncheck this box, then click on finish. So here we have the shortcut menu icon. Using this shortcut menu icon, you can open Notepad++. If you are not getting this icon on your desktop, then you can simply search for Notepad++ on search option. So here we have Notepad++. Let me open Notepad++. So this is the interface of Notepad++. You can use this Notepad++ to write your notes on Windows 11, or else you can also use this Notepad++ to write your programming. Now say for example, if you want to write some programs, then you can simply click on this language option, and from here you can select your language. Say for example, you want to write Java program, then simply hover your mouse to J, and here you will find your programming language which start with J, such as Java, JavaScript, JSON, JSP. Similarly, if you want to write HTML code, then simply hover your mouse to HTML, and here you will find HTML option. Say for example, you want to program C programming, then simply hover your mouse to C, and here you will find C, C#, C++, and other programming language start with C. So this way you can use Notepad++. If you want to see the comparison between default Notepad and the Notepad++, then here we have. Here you can see the difference between Notepad and Notepad++. Notepad is a basic note-taking software. With the help of this software, you can write your notes. Whereas on Notepad++, you can write your notes, and you can also write your programming language using Notepad++. And it also provides some advanced tools and features. So this is how you can install Notepad++ on your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.